Welcome to challenge number 13. A, B, and C are running around a circular track of length 240 meters at speeds of 6 meter per second, 4 meter per second, and 3 meter per second respectively. If A, B, and C started at same time from same point in the same direction, find the time after start when all the three meet for the first time. A, B, and C are moving in the same direction. A is traveling at 6 meter per second and B at 4 meter per second. When can B meet A? If it were a linear track, A and B will never meet because A is traveling at higher speed. However, because it is a circular track, A will meet B if it travels 240 meters more than that of B. What is the net speed of A and B? That is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2 meter per second. So when this 240 meters is covered by this relative speed, that is equal to 240 by 2, 120 seconds. That means every 120 seconds after start, A and B will meet each other. What about B meeting C? B is traveling at 4 meter per second and C at 3 meter per second. When can C meet B? When it travels 240 meters, that is the length of the track more than that of C. Net speed, relative speed of B and C is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1 meter per second. So B and C will meet for the first time after start when 240 meters is covered by the net speed. That is equal to 240 divided by 1, which is equal to 240 seconds. Well, what we have seen is that A and B will meet every 120 seconds after start. B and C will meet every 240 seconds after start. When will all the three A, B, and C meet? That will be the least common multiple LCM of 120 and 240 seconds. That is equal to 240 seconds. That means A, B, C, all three meet every 240 seconds after start.